Okay, after research, I'm going to test the first upholstered Faraday cage that I'm aware of. If you'll notice, my Bluetooth is on, and Metallica Battery is the song we're going to play in the stereo in my workshop. I'm going to put my phone in the Faraday cage, put the lid on, and the stereo is going to lose the signal. It can't find it anymore. Okay, here we go. You hear it's already, the quality of the sound's already been compromised. I don't even have the lid down good yet. There we go.
Audio device disconnected.
Okay, it lost it. Now, to show you that I didn't do anything funky with the stereo, listen to this.
Audio device connected.
The Faraday cage blocked the signal, the Bluetooth. Okay, I'm going to cut the Bluetooth off.
Audio device disconnected.
And we're going to use the FM signal.
Hey, what is it?
You can hear it. You can still hear it? Gone. The Faraday cage blocks the signal going through the air from getting to the antenna. It just can't do it. And now it's back. AM.
That's not the benefit of a stockholder. That's right. Who buys a stock is looking to have this grow in value and income only is
This diminishes the signal when I put it in the cage, but you can still hear some static. Put the lid on. Gone. Not even putting it on good, it still blocks it. Our Faraday cage, it has the circuit bumpers here, and there's a circuit bumper up under here that meet. But this cage, every inch of it, top and bottom, is lined with 3 layers of conductor. Now I'm going to cut this off.
7,000.
And perform the last test that I can perform legally. So I need your give me your fingerprint, please. Okay, my wife's phone is the one that's pink, has the pink case, and I'm going to call myself on her phone and cover my phone up, my number up, so I don't get haters calling. Okay, there it is. Now, I'm going to put my cell phone in the Faraday cage and put the lid on tight. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to clear the logs, my call logs. No call logs. And the lid is tight to make sure that the circuit is completed. Okay, give me your fingerprint again, please. Oops. Okay, technical difficulties. Okay, she's going to call Jeff Cooper, whose phone is in the Faraday cage. And I'm going to cut the speaker on. It's actually going to go to my voicemail, but this is weird. I'll show it to you. We can edit that out when you put it on the side. Okay, 2 voicemail. Now, this is interesting. Watch this. She got my voicemail, but apparently US Cellular, she got the voicemail, but she didn't get my phone. My phone has had no calls, no call log. So this thing blocks RF, the cell phone, the Bluetooth, AM, and FM. To go any further, I would have to build an illegal EMF detector, or EMP pulse generator, and that's a $50,000 fine and 3 years in prison. But the circuit is here, it works. This is the prototype, and in the future, now that I know how to build one that works, the big mushroom lid will not be a part of the design unless that's what you want. I can make it lighter, and it can be custom made just for you, so that you can protect your electronic devices in a way that you can store happily and be proud of your Faraday cage. It's not an ammo can wrapped in aluminum foil and aluminum tape. It's a handcrafted, upholstered piece that is made specifically for you. Thank you for watching.